Imagine waking up one day to find your coffee already made by your personal robot butler. Intriguing, isn't it? In this not-so-distant future, machines may just be brewing your coffee, driving your car, and maybe even tucking you in at night. This is the dawn of the machine revolution. Now don't worry, we're not talking about a dystopian future where robots overthrow humanity. We're discussing a future where machines and humans coexist, synergize, and thrive together. Imagine no more mundane chores, no more routine tasks. Your personal robot butler has it all covered. But what does this machine revolution mean for us? How will it change our lives, our societies, our world? These are the questions we will explore as we take a sneak peek into the future. Before we dive deeper, remember, if you want your future robot butler to serve you the best coffee, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Trust me, the robots are watching. Now the question that keeps us all up at night, will these machines be our buddies or our overlords? There's an interesting spectrum of thought swirling around the idea of a machine revolution. On one end, we've got the optimists. They're the ones who can't wait for our robot pals to take over all the dreary chores. Imagine, no more washing dishes, no more taking out the trash. Heck, we could even have machines to do our taxes. Talk about living the dream. But then, there's the other end of the spectrum, the pessimists. They see the rise of machines as the beginning of the end. They're convinced we're all going to be living in some sort of dystopian nightmare where machines have taken over the world, and we humans are just along for the ride. It's like a sci-fi movie, but without the popcorn and the comfortable cinema seats. So who's right? Well, the truth is probably somewhere in the middle. Machines can indeed make our lives easier. They can automate mundane tasks, help us work more efficiently, and even assist in fields like healthcare and environmental conservation. But it's also important to remember that machines are tools. They're not benevolent beings or evil overlords. They're as good or as bad as the humans who design, program, and use them. In the end, it's not about machines taking over, but about how we humans can work with machines to create a better future. It's a partnership, a dance, a delicate balance between relying on technology and maintaining our own skills and humanity. It's about finding harmony between the silicon and the soul. And remember, machines don't have a sense of humor, at least not yet. So they can't appreciate the irony of us discussing their potential to become our overlords on a platform that's powered by them. Oh, and by the way, every like on this video is a vote for machines being our friends, not foes. So do your part for humanity and hit that like button. So where does that leave us humans in this machine-dominated future, you might be wondering? Well, fear not. The rise of machines doesn't necessarily spell doom and gloom for us. Sure, we may not be the ones running factories or driving trucks in the near future, but that doesn't mean we'll be rendered obsolete. Quite the contrary. As machines take over routine tasks, we humans will be freed up to focus on more creative, strategic, and interpersonal roles. Imagine a world where your job is to be a professional robot trainer, teaching AI algorithms to recognize sarcasm or interpret abstract art. Or perhaps we'll become digital philosophers, pondering the ethics of machine learning. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. As we navigate this brave new world, our humanity, our ability to empathize, create, and innovate will be our greatest asset. If you want to secure your job as a professional robot trainer, don't forget to subscribe. Your future career might depend on it. Well, there you have it, folks. A glimpse into a future where machines might just be your best buddies or your new boss. We've journeyed together through this fascinating exploration of the machine revolution. We've seen a future that's teeming with possibilities, where machines could become our collaborators, our companions, or perhaps even our competitors. We've delved into the intriguing question of friend or foe, and considered the role that we, as humans, will play in this rapidly evolving machine age. Will we stand shoulder to shoulder with our mechanized counterparts, or will we watch from the sidelines as they take center stage? The potential of the machine revolution is vast and varied. It's a thrilling prospect, simultaneously exciting and a tad unnerving. But one thing's for sure, it's a future we can't afford to ignore. And remember, if you want to be prepared for the machine revolution, subscribing to our channel is your best bet. Because who knows, the machines might just check your YouTube history.